Shut the up, sorry.
No, that's...
Wow.
Much flavor. I think I'm gonna do coconut.
Yes. Wow.
Oh, hi. What is this? I love blue! Okay. That was so by accident.
I'm thinking it's gonna look so good and then I see this photo and it looks actually fun.
This one's drawing me.
2 hours later.
Grace had to draw a picture, and this is how she sees me.
There's more to it than that.
There was, but what?
Being the best is often a calling for those born on this day. She sees the line.
It's really trippy if you walk through.
Oh my god, it's making me dizzy.
I could see why people shouldn't jump off this.